The solar system. We've all seen our fair share of diagrams of it, but none of them really help to wrap our head around the actual size of our solar system. Just how big are the planets in relation to each other? And how much space is there in, well, space? With this scale model, we hope to show just that. We started with a 2,698 meter orbit of Pluto, and our map starts just outside of the southeast door 15, the one by the library, and ends just before Bethany Good Samaritan Society.
Right, so this is the starting place of our scale model. This is where the sun would be.
For our walkable scale of the solar system, our sun is about the size of this yoga ball.
Although they wouldn't let us take the yoga ball outside, so, and it's here. Alright, so this is what we use for our scale model of Mercury. It's a small ball bearing for jewelry, and we're about 26 meters from the start.
So this is our scale model of Venus. As you see, it's just a slightly larger ball bearing, and we are 49 meters from the start.
Right up there. Alright, so this is what we use for the scale model of Earth. It's about the same size as Venus, so it is also a slightly larger ball bearing for jewelry, and we are about 68 meters from the start. Go.
And here we have Mars, which is about the size of the head of this pin, and we are 104 meters from the start. And here we are where Jupiter would be. We are about 355 meters from the start, and we chose an apple as our thing. But I don't think the real Jupiter is quite as tasty.
Alright, so this is what we use for the scale model of Saturn. It's a tennis ball with a nice bracelet around it to symbolize the rings. And we're about 651 meters from the start. This is what we use for a scale model of Uranus. It's D20, so a nerd's dice, and we're about 1,309 meters from the start.
And here we have Neptune, which is actually a marble of the Earth, but we're going to pretend it's Neptune. And we are about 2,053 meters from the start. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Alright, so this is what we chose to be our scale model of Pluto. As you can see, It's a little speck of dirt, and we are about 2,698 meters from the start, and this is where we end.